Hey friends, this is Audrish and welcome back to my channel Huge Mood. So hope you are doing absolutely fine, and I am finally back with my new video after a long time. So in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the all new JBL C100 TWS wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So in this video I will give you a brief demo on this product and we'll talk about all its pros and cons. So it is going to be an interesting video, so watch it till the end, and without further delay, let's get into it. Now we'll do the unboxing. So first let's see what is written on this box. So in the front side, as we can see the JBL branding over here, and it's written pure bass zero cables. So as we know that it's a wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and the model number over here C100 TWS, truly wireless stereo. And yeah, here written that 17 hour of battery life, which is pretty decent, and 5 hour of battery life on the earbuds and 12 hour of battery life on the charging case. That's a good thing. So here on this side, right side, as we can see, there are options like controlling the audios. So on the right earbud, you can just play, pause and accept calls, and you can also control Google Assistant, like a voice assistant is supported with this device. And on the left earbud, as we can see that you can just fast forward, change the tracks, move to the next track, or even reverse to the track. So this is a good thing, and it's really simple to control this device, I think. So in the back side, as we can see that here we can see the earbuds from the outside, and the price over here is written 7999, which is really wrong, as I have got it at a price of around 2200. So I got it on a sale of Big Billion Day, but normally you can buy it at around 3500 to 3900. So it's a pretty decent deal, I think. So over here it's written one important thing, like if you charge this device for 15 minutes, you'll get a battery life of 1 hour, which is really good, I must say. So now let's unbox it. I am keeping this box aside for now. So here it is. Now look, it looks really premium packaging, as we can see the buds over here. So first now let's come to the case. It's really compact and really small, and it feels really compact, and it feels really good in hands. And one important thing that I must say, that it's made up of really good quality plastic, and it has got a matte finish, so it won't attract smudges, so it's a good thing. And one important thing I would like to mention, that as I saw that JBL has given a micro USB charger, so it is really a downside. At this price point I would expect a type C charger, so it's a downside, I must say. So here as we can see the JBL branding, so it looks really cool. Now let's open it. Oh, here we can see the charging notifications. Like here we can see that my case is charged full, as 3 dot was there. So it's really a good thing to identify the battery levels. So now let's come to the earbuds. These earbuds are really light, not too much heavy. And one thing I would like to say, that it feels really good quality plastic, I think. One thing I would like to mention, it is made up of a good quality plastic, and it looks really premium. So this is the yeah, this is the right bud and this is the left bud. So I'm keeping this aside for now. Now what else we get inside this box? Let's see. We are getting a micro USB charger, and along with it we are getting some extra earbuds. So this will help you to fit these earbuds on your ears. You can use it if you need the earbuds to change. So I am keeping this aside for now. Now let's see how to configure it on your smartphone. So it's really simple. Now I will show you how to configure this earbuds on your smartphone. So friends, now I will show you how to pair this device with your smartphone. So first I will take it out from the charging case. After I take it out, the right earbud will automatically turn on Bluetooth on the earbud, and after that I will have to turn on the Bluetooth on my smartphone, and then I have to go to the smartphone settings and I have to search it. So we'll find it over here, the JBL C100 TWS. Yeah, we have got it, as we can see, JBL C100 TWS. So I will click on it. So yeah, pair. Now we can see that it has been successfully paired. So now let's play some tracks, and I will tell you after using it, and will tell you about the sound quality, how it sounds, how good it sounds. So after that I will just give you my full review of this product.
The build quality of the JBL C100 TWS earbuds are very good and it is very much comfortable. So coming to the most important feature, it has got a passive noise cancellation, as because these are in-eared, they do form a good seal and almost blocks 80 to 90% of the outside noise. So I would definitely recommend it using outside, and I have faced no issues yet. And the call quality is pretty decent and found no problems using it while taking calls. Now coming to the most important part, that is the sound segment. The sound quality is pretty decent as the mids and lows are properly balanced, but the bass is little bit on the higher side. But again, I don't have any issues with it, like I'm a bass head, so I can just listen to it all day. So JBL has done a wonderful job. And coming to the most important segment, that is the battery life. So on this full charge, the earbud lasted around 3.5 hours, that is 3.5 hours, while I was using it on a continuous basis, and found it very long lasting compared to the other earbuds, though it has got an additional battery life of 12 hours on the charging case. So this is an add-on. So at this price point, I would definitely go for this earbud.
So friends, if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.